we're going to look at the Nexo card, or the double mode card. Basically, it's one click I can actually switch between those two modes. And what attracted me most to this card was the fact that I get 2% cashback every time I use this card for all my purchases. Yes, you heard it right. All my purchases, no exceptions. Everything I spend my money on, I get cashback on. It sounds really good to be true. So let's check it out. I'm going to the settings and I'm looking at the limits and fees, and this card has absolutely no fees, no monthly fee, no annual fees. Also, when you try to order the physical card, it has no delivery fee. That is very simple. Let's get back. Choose the cashback type. Obviously, this is the cashback that you receive, the 2% you receive. You can choose to receive them in 2 cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look over here. You can get 0.5% cashback on all your spending in Bitcoin immediately. This is amazing. I used to have it at 0.5% in Bitcoin, but then I noticed that I'm missing out on much more cashback that I can get if I don't use the other currency, Nexo currency. This is basically the native cryptocurrency of the platform, of the application. It's quite close to being a very stable currency. You can either choose to get your cashback in as 2% or as 0.5%. Back to the credit mode, and let's check out what do we need to do to get that 2% cashback. You have to keep 10% of your money in Nexo Token. In the debit mode, you will be spending in those fiat currencies or other currencies, but you will be getting no cashback. However, when you actually switch to the credit mode and when you spend with your card, you will get cashback immediately. So this card, this is how it works. Really nice, 2% cashback. And let's take a look at how much cashback I earned so far. Obviously, I started one payment and I made it in BTC in Bitcoin, but I didn't know about the 2%. And then I switched to the next 2%. And so far, from March, April, and one payment, I think it was in May, I got 54, or what equals $54.19 received in Nexo Token, which is elevating at the moment, going back up and down. So if I check the market price, it's at 1.25. You can see it all the time. It's an amazing service, really. I will get more into depth in this application and how it works. Look forward to more of the next videos. One last thing, keep 10% of your money in Nexo Token. That will unlock all the amazing features. That will be all. Thanks for watching.